Today I'm going to take you on a tour of this beautiful model home that you see right behind me. Right now I'm in the Mattamy site. This is the Wildflower Crossing in Kitchener, Ontario. They've already done some development in the past right here in this community, and they're basically expanding on that. So what they're building is two-story townhomes, as well as the single and the double garage detached on 30 and 36 wide lots. So we'll cover the detached home in a different video, but this is all about the two-story towns. And if you're in search of a starter home or a decent sized townhome with beautiful layout backed by the Mattamy quality, then this is the one for you. I'm gonna take you on a tour of the biggest one that they've got, the corner one. And you know, right now they don't have any lots available, but guess what? They are doing a release come July, so in about a month from now. So this will give you a good idea about the quality, the build out, the floor plans. And at the end of this video, I'll also tell you everything you need to know about this particular community, from prices, the incentives, and if you do stick around until the end, I'll also share with you a great incentive that you can avail if you choose to buy one of the slots working with me. So stay tuned. Let's get right into it. So this is the Wellesley corner lot. That's the one we are gonna tour today. And this is the biggest lot you can find when it comes to the two-story townhomes in this particular community. You are looking at 1,853 square feet of above grade living space. And the elevation you're looking at, that's the Craftsman elevation. And you just look at the contrast. I love the contrasting effect of that dark and light when it comes to this elevation. And of course, being it a corner lot, you do have, you know, lots of space in the front, side, and of course the big backyard. You know, this one is listed for $879,990. That's the price they are selling this corner lot for. But of course, there are a lot of options for every budget, starting from low 7 all the way to high 8. But for now, you sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour of this beautiful home that will give you a really good idea about the finishes that the builder is offering. After all, these model homes are the ways for them to show off the best that they've got. So stay tuned and let's enjoy the tour of this beautiful home. Well, I hope you did enjoy the tour of this beautiful model home. Now I'm gonna get into the details of this particular community. So this is Mattamy Wildflowers, and we are looking at a two-story townhome project. They are also building single garage as well as a double garage detached, which I will cover in a different video. For now, we'll stick to the two-story town. So the layouts ranging from 1,342 square feet, 3-bedroom layouts, all the way to 1,853 square feet, which are 4-bedroom layouts. Now, there are actually 6 floor plans. There are end unit floor plans, there is corner units, and then you have some interior unit floor plans. Of course, as you go higher in the sizes, that's where you do have 4-bedroom layouts available. And if you're looking at a price range, basically ranging from 729 all the way to 879. So that's a fairly wide price range. So whatever your budget or price point may be, there is something you can find here. And what I love about this particular community is that they are 2-story townhomes. Honestly, I am particularly more inclined towards a 2-story layout in comparison to a 3-story. I'm not a big fan of, because I feel like it's not as practical for many young families. So that's what I like about this particular community. Although for this particular home, I might have liked more than a 4-bedroom layout. Compared to that, I would have maybe opted for a 3-bedroom layout. That's just me. Let me know in the comments below what you would have preferred. Maybe a 3-bedroom and a family room or an office upstairs, or a 4-bedroom layout. So that's for you guys to comment below. Be sure to do that. But let me get into some incentives that are available and being offered by Mattamy as part of this community. So first of all, you're getting off $10,000 off the purchase price. You're getting $5,000 decor dollars to spend at your design appointment. You are getting 3 stainless steel appliances, fridge, stove, and dishwasher. So basically, kitchen appliances is being provided by the Mattamy if you were to purchase one of these units. An assignment is available free of cost. Just know that there will be legal and admin fee to be applicable if you were to exercise that option to assign the unit prior to closing. The closing, we are looking at about 12 months from now, so you can say May to September of 2025. So which is pretty sweet, because hopefully things will be a little bit better, a little bit more affordable. Interest rates will be more manageable. So that's where it gives you a sweet deal to secure the unit today and then close into the next year when things are a little bit more settled. We'll see how that goes. But besides that, you are getting 9 feet ceiling on the main floor as standard. You have oak stairs in all the units, and of course you are getting granite countertops in the kitchen. These are some of the incentives being offered by the builder as part of their standard finish. So in terms of deposit structure, you are looking at $80,000, so 4 deposits of $20,000 each over the period of 90 days. So there are a lot of other incentives that are being offered by Mattamy, such as free internet for a year. There's even free Ecobee thermostat and some of those things. But of course, I just covered some of the major ones that are costing you thousands of dollars if you were to rather do it yourself. Now on the top of that, I will also add a great incentive from my end, which is 10% off my gross commission paid by Mattamy at the time of closing, which will mean thousands of dollars back to your pocket at the time of closing. So that's an added advantage if you were to be represented by me and you decide to work with me and buy one of these units, whether it's a townhome or a detached home. Just keep in mind, time is of essence. As of right now, at least, there is not a single townhome unit that's available. It's only this corner lot that's left. But there is a new release that's happening hopefully towards the mid to end July. That's what I've been told by the Mattamy Sales Center. So, they are going to release more lots. But some of the most in-demand lots are the ones that are lower end of the price range, starting from, let's say, that 1,342, 729 price point, all the way to 800. That's where the majority of the demand is. But like I said, time is always of essence. So you always want to do your research ahead of time before the builders are ready to release the lots. So you are ready to make a decision when it's time for the builder to release those lots. You can grab them right away. But I hope you did get some value nonetheless. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel so you can get to see more tours like this. I'm actually gonna do one more tour within this 2-story townhome community, and I'll also tour some of the detached homes within this community as well. Mattamy has already built a subdivision here and they're just expanding on that. So there's a lot of development that's happening right here in this neighborhood of Kitchener, which is close to everything, every major amenity you can think of, such as highway, shopping, dining, day-to-day groceries, amenities that you can think of as a young family living in Kitchener. this can be a dream come true for someone living in new community. So like I said, I hope you did get some value. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and tap on the bell for notification so you are the first to learn about the current market in and around Kitchener-Waterloo. Once again, whether you're thinking of moving in 9 days or 9 months, be sure to reach out. You can give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or you can even schedule a Zoom call. All the info right below in the description. I'll be more than happy to help you and your family make a smooth move in and around Kitchener-Waterloo. Until next time, well, I do hope to see you around town.